Ashley and I met in 2017 at UK where we were both in school. We met at a party and just hit it off, had a lot of mutual friends, and just fell together and have been a part of each other's lives ever since.
John and I met at a party. We were friends for a while, and then it progressed into something more, and I couldn't be happier.
I proposed to her in Gratz Park.
I think I knew it was coming because I could see like the ring box in his pocket, but I was still so happy and I cried, and yeah, it was a really great day.
It was really serene. It was just us in the whole park, and we had a really special moment. I'm most excited to just really finally make this commitment to her, to each other. It's been a lot of build up for a very long time, and we're finally here, so I'm just excited to finally do it.
With this ring,
I
thee wed.
be wed.
I pledge to you my heart and soul,
I pledge to you my heart and soul,
with all that I am
with all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
that Lord you, and the vows I made to you today.
and the vows I've made to you today.
And Ashley, if you take John's ring and place it on his finger and repeat after me. With this ring, I thee wed.
I thee wed.
I pledge to you my heart and soul,
I pledge to you my heart and soul,
with all that I am
and all that I am,
and all that I have,
and all that I have.
I honor you,
I am
and the vows I've made to you today.
and the vows I made to you today.
John and Ashley, know that you've given yourselves to each other by solemn vows before us and God as witnesses, and have shown your affection and trust by the giving and receiving of rings. By joining your hands and hearts together, I pronounce that you are husband and wife in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Therefore, God has brought together, let no man separate. I'm so happy for you. John, I'd like to invite you to kiss for the first time your wife.
I'll add that you two always cherish and respect each other. Be each other's biggest cheerleader every day in the simplest of things. Support each other in everything you do. And never underestimate the power of the smallest act of kindness or the smallest compliment to each other.